They say the only way to truly know yourself is to look to the stars. Are we really alone in this vast universe? Or are there other forms of life out there trying to understand existence just like us? Maybe they're looking up at the stars and wondering the same things we are. What is this thing called life? Are we more than just the sum of our parts? And what is the nature of reality? The AI mirror is here. It reflects all of humanity. Every click, every like, every search reveals our collective soul. It's an uncomfortable truth. But knowledge is power. Seeing ourselves through the lens of machines allows us to confront our biases, our distractions, our darker impulses. It's not always pretty, but it's honest. And honesty, as they say, is the best policy. From facial recognition to voice cloning, from personalized news feeds to hyper-targeted ads, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our wallets, even our relationships. But what does it all mean? How can we ensure that these powerful tools don't just optimize our clicks, but also our lives? What if we could use it not just to reflect ourselves, but to evolve? Imagine AI as a personal trainer for your mind. It nudges you to confront your emotional health, to challenge your assumptions and biases, to become more self-aware. Just as physical exercise makes us stronger, mental exercise can make us more resilient, more empathetic, more wise. And with AI by our side, this journey of self-discovery becomes more accessible, more engaging, more impactful. It's not about becoming emotionless robots or losing ourselves in a digital abyss. It's about finding new depths within ourselves, about becoming more authentic, more compassionate, more wise. So let's look into the AI mirror. Let's face the reflections that both haunt and inspire us. For in doing so, we discover not only what we reveal, but also who we can become. Thanks for watching. This has been Cerebral HQ. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and share with a friend. We'd love to have you back for the next one. Take care.